Okay, finally, I think we are ready to move on with our 18 toast. And to start off the first toast for the evening, syempre po mga kaibigan, alam ko po medyo nakakapagod, pero mangyari lamang po silang pumalakpak sa bawat pangalan na aking tatawagin. Ang una po nating toast for the evening is the sister of Mommy Odette. Equally beautiful, palakpakan po natin Miss Rosenda Macalalag.
Hi Ara, good evening. Wish ko sa'yo good health, good luck at sana ma-achieve mo lahat yung wish mong mayan sa buhay mo. Happy birthday!
Maraming salamat po. Please stay with Dara for the pictorials happening and of course for the ceremonial toast. This time around, I'd like to call in the brother of Mommy Odette. Palakpakan po natin, Mr. Edelberto Perez.
Ara, happy 18th birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, mag-aaral muna. Ang pag-aasawa mo may madali. At kung ikaw ay may boyfriend, pipili-pili. Happy birthday.
Maraming salamat po. This time around, we have the wife of Ara, also a guardian of Ara every time Mommy and Daddy goes out of the country. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin Miss Catherine Perez.
Hi, happy birthday. Totoo yung sabi kanina nung nanay Juliana na si Ara nung bata medyo mataray. Pero as she grows old, as she age, parang naging responsible na siya. Kasi before alaga din namin to nung husband ko. So ngayon, natutuwa ako kasi she learns how to handle responsibilities na. Naalagaan niya pa nga mga anak ko. Ang masasabi ko na lang siguro, Ara, siguro compare mo na lang sarili mo sa isang wine. Na, di ba, yung wine, as it age, nagiging best wine siya. So, sana habang nagkaka-age ka, you learn how to be the best person you can be.
His first cousin who help and assist every time they have medical check-ups sa Maynila, mga kaibigan, Miss Lucy Seniza.
Again, Ara, tulad ng kanina, mag-iiyakan na naman kita. Lagi kong sinasabi sa iyo na laging be a good girl, happy birthday, and sana yung pag-aaral na muna ang barkada. At syempre, sabi nga ng Kuya Idel, boyfriend at pumili daw. Again, happy birthday, Ara.
Maraming salamat po. This time, a family friend and Ara's company who took care of her when they have night out gimmicks. Nako, ito pala, Miss Sunshine C.
Hi Ara, happy 18th birthday. You know, noong una tayong gumimik, ikaw yung nag-alaga sa akin, ikaw nag-alaga sa amin lahat. I'm really, really proud of you and I'm glad that you've taken me part of your family. The first time we met, para mo na akong ate. Sobrang big sister. Thank you and congratulations.
This time, ito po ang kinukwento ni Mommy kanina, Ara's elementary principal in Immaculate Heart of Mary Learning School, who took care of Ara during those days and exposed Ara's singing ability in the school programs. Palakpakan po natin, Miss Lolita Gonda.
Gusto ko hong sabihin sa lahat na hindi po kumpleto ang program sa Immaculate Heart of Mary Learning Center pag wala po yung boses ni Ara. Naspat ho namin yung kanyang boses na so distinct, so unique. Ika nga po ay napaka-versatile. Kaya Ara, alam ko marami kang pwedeng sabihin. Let your voice speak for yourself. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. This time we have Ara's godmother, who is always there for her, Miss Maria Lourdes Bay.
Happy birthday, Ara. Wala akong masasabi kundi good health and good life.
Ang susunod ko pong tatawagin ay Daddy and Mommy's wedding godmother and a long-time family friend of the Perez family, who is always there whenever they need her. Palakpakan po natin, Dr. Evangeline de los Reyes.
Good evening, everybody. To Ara, our affectionate greetings on your 18th birth anniversary. The last time I saw you was when you graduated from high school at Lasal, Lipa. And now I knew that you are in your second year nursing student at Lyceum, Batangas. I wish that you will finish your course like your mother, who is a nurse, and someday I'll be seeing you in the hospital working as a chief nurse or a clinical instructor. So, at this moment, your lolo and also your lola wish you more happiness, good luck, and more power in your chosen endeavor. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. And this time around, I will call in another doctor. Ito naman po ang family dentist and a friend who took care of Ara's teeth. Nako, since graders. And look how she look now with those beautiful smile because of Doktora, as they call her. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin Doktora Rosalina Bernardo, fondly known as Doktora Ote.
Ara, happy birthday. Bago po ang lahat, gusto kong batiin syempre ang dakilang nanay at tatay ni Ara sa pagkakaroon ng isang maganda at mabait na anak. Alam niyo po si Ara, nung unang ginamot ko to, wow, super, sabihin ko ba totoo? Ang tapang! Tinatawag namin ng mga pulis para tumigil sa pag-iyak. Hindi, biro lang. I wish you happiness, stay happy, and of course, kagaya ng sinabi ni Tita Lucy, pag-aaral muna. Happy birthday, Ara.
Po, Doktora, this time we have two more doctors. He is the family doctor and a friend of the whole Perez clan, especially taking the best care for Ara's mommy. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin Dr. Vicente Tanseco.
Hi, Ara. I'm supposed to offer a toast for you tonight, but I'd like also to offer this toast to your mom and dad, because without them, you wouldn't be what you are right now. I think mukhang nagmana yata sila ng talent mo. No? So I congratulate you for that. I know that you're in nursing school, hoping to be a nurse someday. I'm sure you will be. And I'm hoping also you'll be a doctor. Oh, happy birthday, Ara.
Maraming salamat po, Doc. And the last of our 18 toast, Mommy's OB-GYN, the first person who's coming out from this world. And a special friend of the family who is always there to help and give assistance, mga kaibigan, Dr. Susan Pelea Nagtalon.
Good evening, everyone, and it's a pleasure to be with you. My family and I came over to be with you, Ara, and I think this is a very important day in your life, and it's nice to be amongst your guests. Okay, we've had several pep talks together, remember, in the past, but I'd always want you to remember that you have to enjoy life, make the most out of it. Whatever it is that you choose to be, make it the best, and it is not wrong to be the best amongst everyone. Okay, so do take care of yourself. I'm sure your parents are also looking forward to that day that you're going to be independent and be very responsible. So happy birthday. Enjoy the evening. This is your night.